Class 9 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter is Cube and Cuboid. The exercise 15.1. Let us start what will be in your exercise. First, cube is a regular hexagonal solid object. It has 4 lateral faces and 8 vertices. Second, if the side of a cube of length A, then the total surface area of the cube, that is the 6A square, lateral surface area of the cube, that is 4A square, and volume of the cube, that is the A cube. Now third one, if the length of cuboid is L, breadth is B and height is H, then the total surface area of the cuboid is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now lateral surface area of the cuboid, that is 2H into L plus B, and the volume of the cuboid, that is the L into B into H. Now come to the next. Surface area of the cube is 6A square and surface area of the cuboid, that is 2LB, BH and HL. And the area of the lateral faces of cube, that is the 4A square. Now come to the question, that is the example 1. A cuboidal room has the length 12 meters, so you have to write length is equal to 12 meters. And breadth is given as 8 meters, so B is given as 8 meters. And the height is 4 meters, so H will be equal to 4 meters. Now, if the rate of whitewashing is 7 rupees per square meter, so that is the rate, so you can write the rate is equal to rupees 7 per meter square. Then how much money will be spent in painting its core wall and the ceiling? So first of all, required area. Required area is equal to 2L plus B into H and plus L into B. ये एरिया आपका कितना है? 4 walls का एरिया हो गया और ये सीलिंग का एरिया हो गया. Now put the value 2L is given as L is here 12. So it is 12 and B is, that is the 8. So you can write here 8 and height is, that is the 4. So you have to write 4 here and plus L into B, that is the 12 and B in, that is the 8. Now multiply to this 2 into, that is the 20 into 4 and plus it is 96. So you can add here 4 4 ja 16. So 160 plus 96. So what will be happen? It is 6 and 9 and 6, that is the 5, 15 and 1 and 1 2, that is 256 meter square. Now the total cost is equal to area into rate. So area is given as how much? It is the 256 into rate is 7. So you can multiply and get the answer. How much answer? It will be 1792. So that one is your, in rupees, that one is your answer. Now come to the example 2. Anwar got a cubical water tank with a lid constructed on a trace on his house. The length of outer is 1.8 meters. So you have to write here A is 1.8 meter. He wants to put square tiles on a side 30 centimeters. That means it is the side of a square, that is 30 centimeters. So you can change 0.3 meter. Now, on the entire surface bearing the base of the tank, if the cost of putting the dozen tiles is rupees 96. So that is the rate of tiles. That is the 396 upon 12 rupees per tiles. Now come to the, it is the rate. Now how can find the, here is the required area is the 5 faces. So you can say here required area. So that is the 5 faces of cube. So that is the 5a square. So you can write 5 into a square. That is the 1.8 into 1.8 meter square. Now the total cost is equal to required area and divided by area of tiles, area of one tile into rate. So area of one tile, that is the, you can write here, area of one tile is equal to 0.3 square. So that is the 0.3 into 0.3. So you can put here, and that is the 5 into 1.8 into 1.8, and here is 0.3 into 0.3, and rate is given as, you can say, 396 and divided by 12. Now calculate it. पॉइंट से पॉइंट को रिमूव कर देना है आपको. यस. नाउ divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 2 ja 6. Now once again by 3. 3 4 ja 12 and 3 4 ja 12. 4 3 ja 12 and 4 11 ja here. So you can multiply here, divide with 3 6 ja 18. So you can write 5 into 18 into 6 into 11, and after multiplication this one, it is 5940 rupees. So that is, you can say here, total cost is equal to rupees 5940. That will be your answer. Now come to the next question, that is the example 3. While playing the some cubical blocks, William made the structure shown in the picture. If the side of each cube has 4 centimeters, then find the volume of the structure made by William. First of all, we want to count the total number of cubes. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So there is 15 cubes. So number of cube is equal to 15. So volume is equal to number of cube into volume of one cube. So number of cubes, that is the 15, and volume of cube, that is the A cube. And A is given as 4 centimeters. So you have to write this one. So 15 into 4 whole cube. So you can write here 15 into 4 into 4 into 4. So how much this one? So you can multiply to this. It is 1960 centimeter cube, and that one is your answer. Now come to the next exercise, that is the 15.1. So total surface area of a cube is 1350 meter square. Find its volume. So total surface area PSA is equal to 1350 meter square. But as you know, TSA is equal to 6A square. Now put the value. It is 6A square is equal to 1350. Now A square is equal to 1350 divided by 6. So 3 2 ja 6 and 3 4 ja 12 and 3 5 ja 15 and 1 0 here. So once again 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. So A square is equal to 225. So A will be equal to under root 225, and their under root is 15. So A is 15 meter. Now find the volume. So volume of cube is equal to A cube. So it is 15 cube. Now you can multiply 15 into 15 into 15. So how much? It is 3375 meter cube. So that will be your answer. Now come to the second question. The volume of a cuboid is 1200 centimeter cube. So you can write volume is equal to 1200 centimeter cube. Length is 15 centimeters. So you can write here length is equal to 15 centimeter. And breadth is also 10 meters. So B is equal to 10 meters. So find out its height. So how can find the heights? First of all, you can write the volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So you can put the value. It is 200. L is given as 15 and B is given as 10. So we can find the H. So H will be equal to 1200 divided by 15 into 10. So 0 will be cancelled to this 0. And 15, 8 ja 120. So H is equal to 8 centimeter and that one is your answer. Now come to the third question. What would be total surface area of a cubical box if each side is doubled? Total surface area. First of all, total surface area TSA. That is the one. It is the 6A square. Now TSA2. So what will be happen? The side is double. So you can write 6A is double. So you can write the 2A and whole square. So 6 into 4A square. So it is TSA2. That means what would be total surface area of cubical box? So you can say here, first of all, TSA2 divided by TSA1. So what will be upon 6 into 4A square upon 6A square. A square will be cancelled and 6 and 6 cancel out. So TSA2 upon TSA1 is equal to 4. So it becomes 4 times. So you can say here it becomes 4 times. So that will be your answer. Now come to the second part of this question. Each side is triplet. So each side triplet, how can say? So total surface area ही find करना है. Each side triplet हो रहा. So TSA1, it is the 6 of A square and TSA2, that is the 6. 8 triplet हो गया. That means 3A whole square. That means 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 of A not. It is 9. TSA2 is the 6 into 9A square. Now divide here. So TSA2 divided by TSA1. So it is 6 into 9 of A square and here is the 6A square. 6 will be cancelled out. A square will be cancelled out. So we get 9. So it is TSA1 upon it is A2. TSA1. So you can say TSA2 is equal to 9 times TSA1. So you can say it becomes 9 times. Now come to the next question. That is the third part of this question. Each side is main n times. So you can say TSA1, it is the 6 of A square and TSA2. N type, you can say 6 NA whole square. So what will be happen? It is 6 N square and A square. That is the TSA2. Now divide it. So TSA2 divided by TSA1 is equal to 6 N square A square upon 6 of A square. A square will be cancelled out. 6 cancel out. So that will be N square. So it is the TSA2 upon TSA1. So you can say TSA2 will be equal to N square into TSA1. So it comes. So you can write it becomes N square times. So that one is your answer. Question number 4. The perimeter of largest room in Priyanka's house is 250 meters. So that is the perimeter. So you have to write here perimeter. It's equal to 250 meters. The cost of whitewashing its 4 walls at the rate of 10 rupees per square meter and the cost is 15,000. So rate is given, it is rupees 10 per square meter, and the total cost, it is given as rupees 15,000, 15,000. Now we can find the lateral surface area, or you can say 4 walls, area of 4 walls. So you can say area of 4 walls is equal to total cost upon rate. So total cost is 15,000 and rate is 10. So that one we cancel out. So it is 1500 meter square. Now area of 4 walls you can write here. Area of 4 walls is equal to perimeter into height. It is given as 1500, perimeter is given here 250. So you have to write 250 and height is h. So you can say h is equal to 1500 upon 250. So 0 will be cancelled out. So 5 5 ja and 5 3 ja and 1 0. So 5 6 ja. So your height is 6 meters, and that one is your answer. Now come to the fifth question. The length of a side of a cubical box is 10 centimeters. So you have to write A is equal to 10 centimeters. And the another cubical box with its length is given as length is how much? It is the 12.5 centimeter, and breadth is also given. Breadth is 10 centimeter. It is here 10 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeter. So you have to write h is equal to 8 centimeter. Now come to the question, which box has more lateral surface area? चलिए lateral surface area निकाल लेते हैं दोनों. So first of all, LSA of cube is equal to, that is the 4a square. So you can put the value. So 4 into a square, that is the 10 square. So that one is the 4 into 100. So it is 400 centimeter square. Now come to the LSA of cuboid. L as lateral surface area of cuboid. That is the 2L plus B into H. Now put the value. 2L is given as 12.5 and B is 10 and height is 8. So you can say 8 to the 16 and you can add them. It is the 22.5. Now multiply to get the answer. That means it is the 360 centimeter square. So it is 360 square and that is the 400 centimeter square. That means cube has more area. So you can say cube has more lateral surface area. So how much? Now you can say here LSA of cube minus LSA of cuboid. So that is the 400 and minus the 360. So that one is 40 centimeter square. So it is your answer. Now come to the next question, second part. The length of the cuboid is given as which box has less total surface area and how much less? So first of all, total surface area of cube. That is the length is 10 centimeters. So you can say A cube, it is 10 cube. And that is the TSA of cube, it is not TSA cube. So TSA of cube is 6A square. 6A is given as 10 centimeter. You can see here. So 10 whole square. That is the 6 into 100. That is the 600 centimeter square. Now total surface area of cuboid. That is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the value. 2L is given as 12.5. So 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 8. 8 is given here. And plus 8 into 12.5. Let us do the calculation. How much? It is 2. So it is the 125 plus it is 80 and plus you can multiply to this 8 5 ja 40. So 0 and here is the 8 2 ja 16 and 4 that is the 20 and 8 1 ja 8 and 2 10. So that is the 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ये हो जाएगा. So इसको ऐड कर लेते हैं. It will be 305 into 2 and it is the 610 centimeter square. So you can see the question is which box has less total surface area and how much? So which one less? Cube has less surface area. So you can say here cube has less total surface area. So TSA. Now how much? So you can find the difference. Difference of del S, that is the 610 minus 600. So it will be 10 centimeter square. So that is the difference. So that one is your answer. Now come to the next question. That is the sixth question. The population of a village is 4,000. Each person in the village required 150 liter of water every day. There is a water tank of village with length, breadth and height is given here 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter respectively. If tank is filled in the brim with water, then for how many days the water required would be met? मतलब कितने दिनों तक वो पानी चलेगा. 4000 की जो है वो है जनसंख्या हमारे इस गांव की. चलो देखते हैं क्या. सबसे पहले हमें वॉल्यूम निकालना पड़ेगा. Then we can decide it. So first of all, we want to write the length. Write the length. Length is given as length of the tank, that is the 20 meter, and the breadth is that is the 15 meter, and height will be equal to that is the 6 meter. It is given here 20 meter, 15 meter, and 6 meter. Now volume of tank we can find here. So volume of tank, it is L into B into H. So you can write here 20 into 15 into 6 meter cube. But it wants to change into liter. So 20 into 15 into 6 into 1000 liter. ये लीटर में कन्वर्ट हो गया है. Now water required every day. So volume of water required every day will be equal to the population 4,000 and into 150 liter per person. So that volume is required per day. So how many days? So how we can find the number of days? Number of days is equal to volume of tank upon volume required every day. Volume of water required every day. So now you can put the value. The volume of tank, that is the 20 into 15 into 6 into 1000. Now every day, that is the 4000 into 150. Now 30 is cancelled out here. Now come to the 15 10 here and 10 is also cancelled out here. So we can say 2 2 4 and 2 1 2 and 2 3 6. So you can say only 3 days. So that one is your answer. Now come to the seventh question. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 12 kilometers per hour. Can you find out the volume of water going to sea per minute? So first of all, we can say here length is given as it is 3 meter and the 3 meter, the river 3 meter deep, it is the height and 40 meter wide is flowing. So length, breadth is given as 40 meter and the speed, so you can say here speed, that means we can say h. H is 2 kilometer per hour. So we can say per minute. We want to take into per minute. So that is the 2000 मीटर किलोमीटर को मीटर में चेंज कर लिया है और डिवाइडेड बाय 60 इंटू कर दीजिए नॉट 60 दैट मीन्स इट विल बी चेंज इनटू मीटर per minute. So 0 will be cancelled out and 2 3 ja and 2 1 ja 2. So we can say it is 100 by 3 meter per minute. Now volume, we can find the volume. Volume is equal to LB into H. Now put the value. L is 3 meter and B is 40 and H is 100 upon 3. Now come to the 3 ja 3 से 3 cancel हो गया and 4 0 0 how many 4000 meter cube per minute. So that will be your answer. Now come to the 8th question. The total surface area of a cuboid is given here. So you can say TSA of cuboid is 3328 meter square. The length and breadth and height are in the ratio of this one. So L raised to B raised to H is given as that is 4 raised to 3 raised to 2. So let L is equal to 4x, B is equal to 3x and H is equal to 3x. Now we can find the TSA. TSA total surface area is 2 L into B, B into H and H into L. Now put the value. L is given as 4x into B is 3x plus 3x into 2x plus 2x into 4x. Now multiply to this. Now we can say total surface area is given as 3328. Now here is the 4 3 ja 12 of x square and here is the 2 3 ja 6 x square and here is the 4 2 ja 8 x square. Now we can add here 3 3 2 8 and it is, you can add them. So 3 3 2 8 is equal to 2 into, it is 26 of x square. So you can say 12 and 6 that is 18 or 18 or 8 that is the 26. So you can calculate the x square. X square is equal to 3328 divided by 2 into 26. So we can say it is multiply or divide. It is divided by 26. It gives 1 2 8. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8. So x square will be equal to 64. So x will be equal to under root 64. So x equal to 8 meter. Now we can find the length. Length is equal to 4 into 8 that is the 32 and breadth is 32 meter and breadth is equal to 3x. So 3 into 8 that is the 24 meter. Now height is equal to 2 into 8 that is the 16 meters. Now we can find the volume. Volume is equal to L into B into H. Now you can put the value. It is 32 into 24 into 16. So what will be happen in this? It will be your 12288 meter cube and that will be your answer. Now come to the 9th question. A cuboid is made by joining the edge of the 3 identical cubes having each volume is 125 centimeter cube. Find the total surface area of the cuboid thus formed. So you can say here that is the volume is given as, so volume is given as 125 centimeter cube, but volume is equal to a cube. So you can say a cube is equal to 125. So a will be cube root of 125 and that is the 5 centimeter. 125 का क्यूब रूट कितना होगा 5 सेंटीमीटर होगा. तो इसकी साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर आ गई. फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द, हियर इज द, you can say a cube is made by joining the 3 edges of 3 identical cube. मतलब 3 क्यूब से जोड़ करके इसको बनाया जा रहा है. So you can say here this one is the first cube. You can say this one is the first cube. Now the second cube you can put here like this. और इसके बाद ये थर्ड क्यूब भी आपको ऐड करके दिखा दे रहा हूं यहाँ पे मैं, ये तीनों क्यूब ने ऐड कर दिए हैं ये। सो ये लेंथ जो है ये 3a हो जाएगी, लेंथ 3 टाइम्स हो गया a का, बाकी सब कुछ सेम रहेगा। लेंथ ब्रेथ भी a ही रहेगी और हाइट भी a ही रहेगा। सो यू कैन फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड। सो TSA is equal to how much? It is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now length becomes A plus A plus A, that is the 3A. So you can put the value. So 2L is given as, that is the 3 into 5, it is 15. So you can put, and here the all thing is are how means, that is the 5. बाकी सब 5 हैं, केवल L चेंज हो रही है। So 15 into 5 plus 5 into 5 plus 5 into 15. So you can multiply to this one 2. 15 5 just 75 and it is 25. Once again 75. So 2 into 75, that is the 150 and this one is the 175. So you can multiply to this 2 5 ja 10 and 2 7 ja 14 and 1 15. 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 and 1 3. So 350 centimeter square. So that one is your answer. Now come to the 10th question. Question number 10. A water body of cuboidal shape, that is length is 20 meters. So you have to write the length L is equal to 20 meter. Change into centimeter, that is the 20 multiply by 100, it is changed into centimeter. And now H is given as 15 meter, 15 centimeter. Let B हमें find करना है. Now volume is given as 18 liter. So volume is given as 18 liter. So that means 18 centimeter, 18 into 1000 centimeter. You can say 18 into 1000 centimeter cube. So you can say it is given here 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So you can see here. But volume is, as you know, it is length, breadth into height. So you can put the value. So length is 2000 and breadth is we want to find and height is 15. So we can say 18 into 1000. So you can say B is equal to 18 into 1000 and divided by 2000 into 15. Now 30 cancel to 30 and 2 9 ja 18. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja. So B is equal to 3 upon 5 centimeter. So it will be 0.6 centimeter and that is your answer. So you can write this one, breadth is equal to 0.6 centimeter. Come to the 11th question. A 10 meter long, 4 meter high and 24 centimeter thick wall is to be constructed in an open ground. If the wall is to be built using bricks size 24 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter, then how many bricks will be needed? First of all, length of wall is given as 4 meter, 10 meter. 10 meter. It will be converted into centimeters. So 10, 100, that is the 1000 centimeter. Now breadth is given as it is 4 meter. It will be also changed into centimeters. So that is the 400 centimeter. And H is given as 24 centimeter. It is given as 24 centimeter. And now here volume of wall, we can find here volume of wall. So here is the number of volume of wall is equal to L into B into H. So you can write here, it is the 1000 into 400 and into 24 centimeter cube. And the volume of one brick, that is the 24 into 12 into 8 centimeter cube. It is given here 24 into 12 into 8 centimeter. Now we can find the number of bricks. number of bricks, that is the N, that is the volume of wall, and upon volume of one brick. Now N is equal to how much? It is 1000 into 400 into how much? It is 24, and divided by 24 into 12 into 8. Now 24 cancel to 24, and the 400 रहेगा यहाँ, and 4 2 जा 8. Now once again it is 2 5 ja 50, and now here is 12. Now come to the once again, that is the 2 6 ja here, and 2 2 ja 5, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 5 ja 10. Once again it is 2 3 ja, and here is the 2 5 ja, so we get 500. So N will be equal to 500 into 25 and divided by 3. So what will be happen? You can see here. That one is the 4166.67 bricks. So that one is your answer. Now come to the 12th question. Find out the expenditure in digging the Cudal pit is 8 meter length, 6 meter wide, and 3 meter deep. So you can write here, length is given as, that is 8 meter, breadth is given as 6 meter, and height is 3 meter, and it is the rate is given here. So you can write here rate also. Rate of digging, that is the rupees 30 per cubic meter. So per meter cube, you can see here. Now find the, first of all we can find the volume. Volume is to L into B into H. So that one is the L is 8 into 6 into 3. So you can multiply this one. It will be your 144 meter cube. Now total cost, that is the volume into rate. Volume into rate. So volume is given as 144 into rate is 30. So we can say it is rupees this one. So you can multiply into 30. So it becomes rupees 4320, and that will be your answer. Now come to the 13th question. The dimensions of the go down are 60 meter, 25 meter, and 10 meter. What is the maximum number of wooden cartage? Dimension is 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter, and the 0.5 meter. So first of all we can write here number of cartage. So you can say number of wooden cartage. That is the volume of go down. Volume of go down, and upon volume of one cartage. Yes. Now it is LBH. So you can write here 60 meter into 25 meter, and here is 10 meter. And here the volume is 1.5 meter, and it is 1.25 meter, and it is 0.5 meter. Now we can calculate this one. So this is the removing the decimal are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can put 4 zeros. So 5, 25, 5 ja here 125, and 15 4 ja. Now once again 5 2 ja 10, and once again 5 1 ja 5, and 5 2 ja 10. So 2000 here. So it's the 2 2 ja 4, and 4 2 ja 8. So it becomes 8000. So that is the 8000 cartage रखेंगे और ये आंसर हो जाएगा. Now come to this one is a solid cube of side 12 centimeter cut into 8 identical cubes, each having the same volume. what will be the side of the new cubes? Also find outer surface area of the both cube. Solid of cube, that side is 12 centimeters, so you can say that is the 12 centimeters. Find the volume. Volume of big cube is equal to A cube, so that is the 12 cube, and it is, you can say 12 into 12 into 12, and it is centimeter cube. And now volume of small cube, you can say volume of small cube is equal to 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 8. So 8, 2, 4 ja 8. So you can write here first 4, 2, 6 ja here, and 2, 2 ja 4. So 2, 6 ja here, and 2, 1 ja 2, 2, 6 ja. So we can say it is 6 into 6 into 6. And that one is the A1 cube. So it is A1 cube. So A1 is equal to cube root of 6 into 6 into 6. So that means the 6 centimeter is the side. You can say it is the side of new cube. So we can write here side of new cube is equal to 6 centimeters. So that one is your answer. Now find the which one? Find the surface area. That is the total surface area TSA. That is the one. It is the 6A square. So you can say 6 into 12 into 12. So you can multiply 6 into, it is 144. So 6 4 ja 24. 2 carry 6 4 ja 24, and 2 that is the 26, and 6 1 ja 6, and 2 that is the 8 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ये जो है बड़े वाले का क्यूब का सरफेस एरिया निकला है. एक आंसर है. नाउ TSA2 छोटे वाले का निकालना है. दैट इज द 6A1 स्क्वायर. तो 6A1 कितना है? 6 है. तो 6 स्क्वायर, दो यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई 6 into 6, इट इज द 6 into 36. So 6 6 ja 36, and 6 3 ja 18, and 3 that is the 21 centimeter square. That one is your second answer. Now come to this one, 15 question. Mary wants to keep her Christmas tree in a wooden box covered with the color paper. She wants to know how much paper she needed to buy. The above mentioned the box is 80 centimeter long. So that is the L. L is equal to 80 centimeter. And the 40 centimeter wide. So B is given as 40 centimeter. And 20 centimeter high. So you have to write H is equal to 20 centimeter. And its paper is 40 centimeter square sheets. So we can find the number of papers. Now first of all, total surface area. TSA is equal to 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now you can put the value. That is the 2L is 80 into 40 plus 40 into 20 plus 20 into 80. Now multiply to this one. 2 8 4 ja 32 00, and plus 4 2 ja 8 and 00, and 8 2 ja 16 and 00. Now you can add them. It is 5600. So that's why we can say 2 into 56, and it is 12800, not 00. It is 00 केवल रहेगा यहाँ पे, 000 नहीं आएगा. 128 और into 12800. That is the centimeter square. So number of seats. So you can find here number of seat is equal to TSA and the area of seat. One seat. So TSA is 128, and it is the 40 centimeter square seat, and the paper is 40 centimeter square sheets. So you can say 40 into 40. So now 0 will be cancelled out. This one is also cancelled out. 4 3 ja 12, and 4 2 ja 8, and 4 8 ja 32. So that one is the 8 seats. So that one is your answer. Your exercise will finish. नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे आप लोग, और उसके नीचे एक ये बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, मेरे उसको लाइक भी करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को, और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक भी करेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ।